Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to promote ClickBank offers for free that will help you to make over $120 a day. It is very simple method. You can make up to $120 a day. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below and share the video. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you in today's video how to make $120 a day while you play, when you're testing these games, when you are actually playing these games. So you let the game developer know exactly what you are thinking, what you are feeling, what you like and what you don't like, and how it's going. Very simple, and you can earn money through this side. As I said, you can make up to $120 a day. Now you can get paid $120. Now you can get paid $122 a day through the side through PayPal. Make sure you have got a PayPal account. So all you need to do is set this up and you can start earning money, and you can get paid playing games. Super simple. And remember, make sure you have got a PayPal account. Super simple and easy to start earning money. You can play an iOS, Android. That's it. They would like to see on different devices how the gameplay is to have an iOS, Android. So if you have got a tablet, then you can work and test on a couple of devices. Then you can earn even more money. And like I said, you can make up to $122 a day through the side. Through playing games, you can earn a little bit more money for different devices. Through different games, you will need to put in all your information about yourself if you want a little bit more information, so they know what apps to give you depending on what demographic. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe right now and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.